Alright, check out my windscreen. Let me just try and put some water on it, and this shows that I need to change my wiper. You see that? All the water stains are still here. So I got myself something, the Bosch Advantage, and BA26 means it's 26 inch. BA17, this is 17 inch. This is sort of like a review for my wipers. I think a lot of people actually bought this. That's because of its long lasting. Yeah, that's what it says here, long life, and it comes with advanced tropical rubber formula. So this Bosch Advantage, it's made in China if not mistaken, and it's actually registered and trademarked in Germany. It's being sold all around Asia: Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam, Philippines, Australia, and Taiwan. I think there's a guide here as well before I open it up. So first of all, it will show you that it's suitable for this type of connections, which is just a hook. I think most of the cars are using this hook. Remove all wiper blade. Yeah, of course you need to take it out first before you can start to put in the new one. There you go. Just clip it in, and yeah, I don't use this B6. I'm using a quick clip. So it's just a very small hook, and you hook it on, and that's it. And there is a place for you to tie it up. Let's just open this up. So this is how it looks like. A very simple wiper, nothing more, nothing less, and it's all in black. Yeah, you can see there's a Bosch logo there as well. So in order for me to replace the wipers, I need to actually get the wiper to come up first. Pushing it up twice. 1, 2. There you go. It stops there. Let me just try again. One time, it will just come up once. Okay? 2 times, yeah, it will stop there. So this is how I actually stop the car wiper, and I can start changing it. This is, by the way, I'm actually driving an X-Trail, or you can call it Nissan Rogue in the US. So okay, let's try and change it now. So alright, this is my wipers, my old wipers. I think I bought the same. Yeah, Bosch as well. You can see, yeah, same thing. It's just that it's worn off and it's time to change. I think I used it for around 9 months or a year. So that's okay. Yeah, it can last me for about a year. In order to change it, you need to push it up. Just do that and put it down. Yeah, easy as that. So for the new one, just make sure that this rounded area is supposed to be face on top. This rounded area, yeah, that's because this is rounded as well, the shape. So easily and put it this way. Yep, put it this way, put it up, and it's done. Surprisingly, I can do it with one hand. Okay, this as well. Okay, yeah, there you go. Okay, all right. Again, let's try and do this easily. All right, that's it. Push it back down, and there you go. I changed both wipers with just one hand. Let's get inside and try out the wiper, and make sure you clean your hand because the old blades are quite dirty. All right, let's clean my hand and start to look at my wiper again. The car is still off. Let's on it. Now let me drop down the wiper by just pushing it up once. There you go. And let's try and put some water on it, on the windscreen, and start wiping. Yeah, there you go. No more water stains. For the BA26, I got it for 13.50, 13 ringgit and 50 cent. BA17, the 17 inch, I got it for 8 ringgit and 50 cent. Actually pretty worth it. Yeah, it's branded and it's working fine. It's easy to change. That's it. Thanks for watching. This is a very simple review of this Bosch Advantage, and also how you can actually change your wiper in a Nissan Rogue or Nissan X-Trail one-handed. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.